Hello everybody, my name is Felix and today we're playing Critical Ops. Ooh, we just need to wait for that thing. Okay, so today we're gonna be playing Critical Ops and I'm gonna try to do a challenge. I'm going to try to play Deathmatch. Well, no. Yeah, Deathmatch. And I can only use pistols. Yeah, I can only use pistols. So let's. It's kind of those challenges which is gonna be completely impossible. Well, to win the challenge, I have to get 10 kills. Jesus. Some people died here. Okay, let's. I already hear people dying. Oh, you little dog. So there's one kill. This is what I've come to. It's working. Kill that guy. My guy. 4. I need 6 more. Oh my God, leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm a boss. Wow. They're all over the like, oh yeah, let's stay in the group. Let's stay in the group. Guys! All of them are right there. Like just like Quick, 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 quick. I'm at 6 kills. Oh my god! God, that's great. Oh! You. Oh my God! Again, really? I feel like they're all just camping there. I had 12 kills. Holy God, I'm an idiot. I basically already ended the challenge. Well, I'm leaving it here. Goodbye!